we have received names of the following councillors as members of the standing committee: Sri Rohit Jo Mansara, Sri Vittal T. Chopadekar, Shubham T. Chodankar, Carolina Paul, Asmita Ketkar, and Prasad C. Amankar. The proposal has been forwarded by Uday Matkekar and has been seconded by Bento Sylvester Lorena. As there is no other candidate and no other submissions, the standing committee stands elected. Public Works Committee. The following names have been proposed by Shubham T. Chodankar for Public Works Committee: Uday D. Matkekar, Bento Sylvester Lorena, Shubhada R. Shirgaonkar, Lorraine S. Dias, Aditi Chopadekar, Dennis Edward Francis George. The names have been seconded by Srimati Carolina Paul. The committee stands elected. Health and Market Committee. The following names have been proposed by Vittal G. Chopadekar as members of the Health and Market Committee: Sri Pramay P. Mainkar, Yuvraj F. Fernandez, Karan Y. Parekh, Narsimha C. Morashkar, Sanjeev S. Naik, and Sylvester Fernandez. The names have been seconded by Prasad Amankar, and the members stand elected. Women's and Child Welfare Committee. The following names have been proposed by Lorraine S. Dias: Diksha Mainkar, Varsha A. Chetie, Shayani S. Chopadekar, Ranjal P. Naik, Manisha Manekar, and Sandra Maria Bakuyo. The names have been seconded by Shubhada R. Shirgaonkar and stand elected.
मोटिवेट करतात आणि आम्ही एज अ टीम सगळे जाण काउन्सिलर्स पणजेच्या बऱ्या खातीर पणजेच्या बेटरमेंटा खातीर जे आमचे स्वप्न आसा आमचे लिडर भाऊशाचे ती पणजे बरी करची ही वाटचाल आमी सुरू केल्ली आणि जे सिटी आमची कितलीशीच सकयल आसली ह्या रँकींग वायज की आमी एक 2 वर्सां काम करून बरीच पयर आयल्या आणि आशा बाळगता की आतां आमी एक एकठांय जावन सगळे बरें काम करून हे जे आमचे स्वप्न आसा आमच्या लिडराचे आमचो जो मॅनिफेस्टो आसलो ते सगळे आमी काम करपाक सगळे जाण एकठांय जावन काम करुया. ह्या कामात जी सिटी पणजे क्लीन दिसता ताका हांव कॉम्प्लिमेंट करता. आमचे कमिशनराक हेणे दीस रात काम केले तशें आमचे टेक्निकल सेक्शन आमी आमचे कामगार जे काम करताले दीस रात तांकां कॉम्प्लिमेंट करता. हेजो आउटगोईंग मेयर ताजो फूल सपोर्ट मेळटलो आसतलो.
I just want to say thank you for the support that you mentioned me and I hope that all of us can work together to build the agenda that we selected to. The same with the offices also. We hope that we can work together to get all the work that you are also from. So anyway, the panel is a mix of both, of youth and experience also. So in the sense that I am experienced, we have a very solid team. And everything, all the decisions that we make, the both of us also, will be taken in consensus with the rest of the panel also. So we have to capitalize on the experience that we have in our side. And I have my mother and my father both as minister and as an MLA. So I plan on using their experience also.
So for the last 20 years, we have been looking out at various development issues in Panjim itself.
Yeah.
You have been a youth mayor for the first time. What would be your priorities for the city and people of Panjim?
See, again, as of now, I'll have to sit with the entire panel and we'll have to sit and chalk out a list of maybe 3 or 4 priorities that we have to fulfill for this year. Okay, so once we do that, then I'll give you a better answer. I won't be able to answer you right now. But there are things that people need and that we will start fulfilling.
But for Rohit Mansara, what would be the priorities?
See, the priority also now in a sense is fulfilling my dad's manifesto. That is one. But in addition to that, also the daily work that we have to do and whatever ideas that panel that puts forward, we'll be trying to fulfill all of that also. So give me some time, I'll give you like a concrete plan on what we want to achieve within this 1 year.